Hello guys, today I am going to share with you how to buy Elephant Money Trunk token on Trust Wallet using PancakeSwap Exchange. Firstly, you will open Trust Wallet app and click on buy button. Click on BNB. Now here you can buy minimum $50 BNB using credit card, or you can receive BNB using smart contract and QR code. After that, click on browser and go to PancakeSwap Exchange. Open it. Then you will connect Trust Wallet from PancakeSwap Exchange. Then click on Trust Wallet and click on Connect. Now you will click on Cake. After that, you will copy Elephant Money Trunk token address and you will open this token on CoinMarketCap and copy this address and paste here. Then click on Import. After that, you will set slippage for effective purchasing. Click on this icon and here you will set 1% slippage. Then click on cut icon and here you will enter number of tokens. Then click on swap. Here you can check transaction details. Then click on confirm swap. Here you can check transaction details and network fee charges. And finally you will approve this transaction. After that, you will add this token on Trust Wallet. Then click on Manage Crypto and click on this icon. Here you will again paste token address. Then click on Import button. So here you can see this token has been added successfully on Trust Wallet. Again, disclaimer, I have only shared technical process, not financial advice. Thanks for watching.